why I'm not a fan of imaging, because it's tight. Some of these sections are a little hard to pass. Hey look, it's another 4xe. So a thing happened last night. I wish I'd have grabbed the GoPro to capture it while it was happening, but I just didn't because I just forgot about it. But as some of you are aware, I have not been able to drive Fearless in almost 2 months now. The rear diff went out again in June while I was out in Kentucky. So this is now the 4th time the rear diff has gone out. In the last 12 months, I have only been able to drive Fearless, I think, 5 of those months. Even then, most of those, almost 4 of those, were front-wheel drive only because the rear diff wasn't working. So, at this stage, I can't keep borrowing my family's vehicles. I have to find something else to drive, but I still want to be able to wheel. I still want to be able to move my camper. I still want to host rides. So I ended up in a Grand Cherokee. Managed to find one 2 hours away with all the package that I wanted, none of the stuff I didn't want. So here I am. Got the new 2021 Grand Cherokee Trailhawk. It's a lot quieter. It's a little smoother. I do need to replace the tires. And I need to add rock sliders. Both of those have now been ordered, and my bank account has now been absolutely depleted. So I'll be living like a poor man for a little while I have to catch up on payments. I have to make payments. I have to pay for all this stuff that I don't really have money to pay for right now. But I will be able to start wheeling again as soon as I get the rock sliders on. They've already shipped. I've already got new tires ordered because these are Continental all-season tires. They will not cut it. So I will be able to do my Colorado trip here in 2 weeks. And hopefully I don't break down, because this is getting old. But I've heard lots of good things about the Grands. I've kind of always wanted a Grand, but never really needed it. So we'll see how this goes. The next adventure is about to start. Hopefully I don't blow out these all-season tires. Yeah, it'd be smarter to not go with all-season tires, but I'm gonna do it. I'll be careful. I'll avoid the sharp rocks. I'm gonna take some little less chunky trails, but hopefully it'll be good. So let's get on it. Start heading out. And this is why I wanted the Grand. The Gladiator doesn't have cooled seats and it's hot outside. drive up. The pin that holds this came unpinned, and this was dragging on the ground. Thankfully it was still in here, or else I'd be really out of luck. But I know this isn't what's supposed to be there. It doesn't have a very good shear strength, but this will get me down the hill to the campground, and then I can go to the hardware store this week and get a proper replacement pin. Duct tape will at least get me down the hill. Here we are, maiden voyage of the new Trailhawk. We've got a 4xe back there. Oh, snap. And traffic. Lots of traffic today. That's why I'm not a fan of imaging, because it's tight and some of these sections are a little hard to pass. Hey look, it's another 4xe.
Oh, big rock.
How big?
8-inch cube, maybe even 10-inch.
Am I on it? Huh?
Big enough I tried to avoid it. I'm new, you're not.
I've been doing this for a while.
Okay.
You just can't beat these views. These views are so amazing. right, so I opted to not do this with my Continentals, but he's got the nice all-terrains and a few more things, so we'll get him up it. So with my Continental HTs, this is the stuff I'm kind of worried about. If your tire hits that just wrong on a highway tire, that could be a bad day. But they're actually being pretty good troopers, so can't complain too much. This day's been nice. Really, that Grand, it's pretty nice. I still miss Fearless. I wish this was Fearless today, but it's not doing too bad. Okay, I'm just gonna do this just because it needs to be done. That was fun. Yeah, you're okay. Nice and slow and straight right there. We made it down to Imogene, super fun. It was really cool doing it with two other Trailhawks. We got a 20 KL, a nice 23 WL, which was pretty cool to watch, and then my 21 WK2. But the tires did okay. I guess we'll see in the morning if they're all still holding air. That will be the ultimate test if I wake up and my tires are flat. But super happy so far. This was a great day. I am so glad I decided to actually come out to do this trip, even with the highway tires. So thank you guys for watching. Hope you enjoyed. Be sure to comment, like, share, and subscribe. Until next time, guys, keep on Jeeping.